Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I am going to show you how the inventory management system work and how to design an inventory management system, advanced inventory management system in ASP.NET Core, and what is the basic logic behind this. So first of all, I would like to share this prototype of inventory management system, and just I want to convert it into the online by using ASP.NET Core. So just going for the detailed description of inventory management system, just I want to show and I want to tell you about the inventory management system. An inventory management system or inventory system is the process by which you track your goods throughout your entire supply chain, from purchasing to production to the end sales. It governs how you approach inventory management system for your business. And inventory management system, taken a simple examples to elaborate it. Uh, Suppose Jacob starts a business selling foods hampers. He has various suppliers who sell him food in bulk, some of which must then be split up and repacked. Jacob creates an Excel spreadsheet which he updates whenever he ordered more stock. Assembles a hamper or the completes a sales. This is inventory management system and he is entirely dependent on it to know how much stock he currently has, which his food products might expire, how many hampers he can sell, and more. So, what is the need behind the inventory management system? So, just of all, I would like to share this thing first of all. There is the registration process of inventory management system, and who can register actually, you can say that the employee or the admin can register in this session. So name, username, password, and the re-enter password fields are mentioned in this inventory management system. So after filling this form, then registration complete message will pop up by using in ASP.NET Core. If you can use toaster like application, and this is the dashboard, you can say, where your admin can display in the right top side of your screen. And here we have the left panel will display the list of the actions like item, purchase, vendor, sale, customer, search, reports, etc. If you want to add item details, there is there have some actions like item number, item name, status, that is active or not, description, discount on that item, quantity, unit price, total stock in this item. So here we have add item, delete options, update options are there of the items. If you want to go for the purchase details of your item, then item number is just search by this, and purchase date, purchase ID, item name, current stock, vendor name, quantity, unit price, and total cost will be there. So you can just add purchase. Item details are also you can search by their item and upload images. So item number, item name, and select images. So you can just upload the images for that items. Vendor detail like full name, status, vendor ID, where your item will be item from purchased. So phone number, phone to email address, address, city, and districts. Customer detail, there have to sell the items for the customer. So these are the registration page for the customer, like full name, status, vendor ID, phone to email address, and city and district. Sales detail, item number, customer ID, customer name, sales ID, item name, sales date, total stock, discounts, quantity, unit price, total will be there in this session. And the search inventory for the item, just I want to say, you can say that if you want to search the item by their item name, or you can say the item ID, so the list of the table will be display like product ID, item number, item name, discount, stock, unit price, status, and description. If you want to show that detail of the customer, then you will say uh, by using their name to search the customer. If you want to search the sales department, then sale ID will be there, and item number is there, how much sales of the item is there, and the purchase is also for the item number, and item name will be searched option is there, vendor is the name for the vendor. So report will be generated in the form of CSV, in the form of PDF, and there are lots of options for the to print this page. Okay, so all these details of the reports are there. I like the sales report in the form of PDF, looking like this: sales ID, item number, customer name, item name, sales date, discount, quantity, unit price, and total price. So here we have a purchase option. So according to the show reports, start date and end date, you want to just generate the total purchase of that items. Vendors details is also there. So let's start it to this application in ASP.NET Core. So first of all, create a new project, and the project name will be to select that is the web model view controller in that project template, and you can say that inventory, and just you can say just backside inventory.web, that is the project name, inventory.web, and the solution name is inventory only. And yes, that is the framework is .NET 6.0 long-term support. Just create it, and you can say that ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. So first of all, divide the project in the 4 category, and the first one is the inventory.web, and the second one is the next one project, that is new project, and that is the class library project, and the name is inventory.repository. Here we have that then inventory.repository. So just remove the default class. Okay, the next one is the inventory.models. So add a new project, and the class library project, and the name is inventory.models, and the default class also deleted. The next one is, so first of all, I would like to share the third one project, that is model repository is clear. The next one is services. So add new class library project, inventory.services, okay, so everything is fine, and the next one is add a new project, that is utility class library project, inventory.utility project, and here we have that is the utility, and here you can say that here we have 5 projects. So that is the last one project is inventory.web inventory. So first of all, I would like to share some models about inventory. So you know that inventory have some brand name. So first of all, create a table like that brand, and the name of the table is brand. So make it public first of all, and the table name is brand. So first of all, integer ID, and the next one is prop string title. Next one is prop string created at, that is the date time, and the next one is date time, and updated date at, okay, and the next one is prop string description. Okay, so everything is fine. Now the title is the must to required, so use required annotations, and here we have some title information, so string.empty. Okay, so everything is clear, and The same thing you can do with this attribute. That is the default value. Okay. If you're talking about the items, so the next table is the items table. So just add a new class, and the table and the class name is item, and the class name is item. So just make it public first of all, and you can say that the prop integer id and the item name, so string name of the item, and just you can say string item name, and next one is created at, so take time. Okay, and the next one is description of the product item name, so prop string description. Okay, and you can say how much quantity is available on your product, available at, so prop integer avail quantity, and the next one is it is defective or not. So and you can say that that is the next term you have to save, is you can say that enumeration type, so prop, and you can say that is the uh, status, you can say that, so status, and status, and just make it that the status is to define quick fraction range, generate type status, generate new type, and the type of kind is enumeration, and the access default is public. So okay, so here we have a status that is okay, and you can say defective. Okay, so here we have everything is clear about the item. So just go for the next one, and I will shout out about the item and the more tables in the later videos. So the next one is the order table. So you can say that that add a new class, and here we have a order table, and just make it first of all public, and in the order tables, so first of all integer id of the order id, and the prop integer user id, or you can take integer user id. Okay, and here we have prop type, uh, type I mean to say that purchase order or the customer order. So you can say that the type of the order type, you can say that table name is order type, so order type is the name. The next one is status. Status I mean to say that the status of the order can be new, checked out, paid, failed, shipped, delivered, returned, or the complete. So here we have status, and the type of the status is enumeration, and order status you can say that order status. Okay, so here we have order status, and the next one is subtotal, so prop decimal subtotal, and the subtotal is the total price of the order item discount if you have, so prop item discount, the total amount of the order item discount, so integer you can take decimal item discount, and the next one is text, so prop, and decimal. You can say that the text of the item, so you can say that text. And then next one is shipping. So what about the shipping? The shipping charges of the order item, so you can say that decimal. Shipping charges. And the next one is the total price of the order including tax and shipping. It's including the item's discount, so you can say that the total, so prop and decimal total. The next one is promo code if you have, so string promo code. And the next one is discount, so the promo code is there, and the discount, the total discount of the order based on the promo code or the store discount. So discount in the percentage, so you can take decimal and discount. And the next one is the grand total, so prop decimal, and you can take grand total. And the next one is the created at, updated at, so prop date time, created at, and updated at, so date time updated at. Okay, so and the next one is the about the order you can take, so string description. Okay, everything is clear. Now just go for the order status. First of all, make it enumeration type, so just quick and action repository, new type, and the public enumeration order status. So here we have order status, and the lots of order status is have like checkout. So here we have a checkout, paid, failed, and shipped, and delivered, and returned, and cancel, or paid, failed. Failed, I mean to say that the cancelled, you can say that that is last one is complete. So these are the status, order status. Okay, so everything is fine, and just go for the next type is order type. So just make it order type is actually, you can say that the type of order among purchase order or the customer order. So just make it enumeration also. So new type, public enumeration, and here you can say that the order type, that is you can say the purchase order or the customer order. So purchase order, or you can say customer order. So okay, everything is fine. Now just go for the next table. So the next table is an inventory dot models, that is application user. So user class, you can say that app user, and in the app user class, first of all make public and inherited with the identity user class. And you know that identity user class is actually inherited Microsoft.ASP.NET core.identity. So just install that a new package and manage NuGet package and browse identity. And here we have Microsoft ASP.NET Core dot identity is entity framework core, that is stable version is 7.0. So let's stable 7.0.0. Okay, so now the next one is identity user. So add oops, accept it. Okay, so first of all, just remove these things from here, and you can say that just install it. Okay, the Microsoft.ASP.NET Core .identity framework core not compatible with the .NET 6. Okay, so the last one is the 6.0 that is the latest table. So everything is clear. Now the next one is the identity user. So everything is clear about the identity user class. So in the application user class have some fields like the first like the name, and the next one is phone number. Email is attached with the identity user class, and the next one is you can say that a application user have multiple application role. So app role is a new class in the model section, but here we have address fields. So application user have some addresses. So address, and if you want to add an add address in the other class, so you can take this. Okay, so like that, string city, string pin code. Okay, so everything is fine. Now just save this and next for the tables.